riding down a country road, singing along to David Allen Cole. Slinging mud high in the sky, there ain't no place that we can't ride. Full throttle, wide open, running off shine.
Arrested at the Microtel Hotel. Fire alarm activation, showing smoke on the 3rd floor. Be your first tone out time at 20:05.
Calcom 1102. Go ahead. Carroll police are on scene there. They're advising room 304. Room 304, go ahead. That's clear, thank you. 2009. Engine 9's en route with 5. 2009. By the hydrant. Okay, clear, we'll be waiting for one more. Engine 9 to engine 8. Engine 8, go ahead. All we found in here's a hot plate, no smoke, nothing. Look at that. Station 11, engine 9, there's 3 of us. You want the squad? Negative. Just stand by there at the station for right now. Okay. Go ahead, 1102. Here. Okay, we're down here at the hydrant. That's still here. What do you think? I think engine 8 can disregard. Carroll Calm, be back in service this time. 2017.
Them country roads, I'm addicted to doing things my way. Got whiskey in my soul.